Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by putting the Game Pass owning account on the console you want to share from. That's the only supported method. Sign into that account, then set this console as its home Xbox under Settings Personalization. Once done, add or have your family members sign into their Xbox profiles on the same console. You're doing this because Home Xbox designates a single machine that shares digital games and active subscriptions to everyone who uses it, locally or with signed-in profiles. Now make sure the Game Pass subscription shows as active for the owner account in My Subscriptions. That confirms license validity. Keep the owner account present on that home Xbox. You don't need to stay signed in, but don't remove the account. Other users should use their own profiles to launch Game Pass titles. The console treats them as licensed because it's the home Xbox. If kids or restricted profiles can't play, review family settings and content filters, and relax them for Game Pass titles. Finish by verifying access. On a non-owner profile, pick any Game Pass title and launch it. If it runs, sharing is working. If it fails, make sure the console is still set as the owner's home Xbox, the subscription hasn't lapsed, and both accounts use the same region, then fully power cycle the Xbox. One key troubleshooting tip: if licenses seem blocked, remove and re-add the owner account, sign back in, and reassert home Xbox. That often forces a license refresh.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.